So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, we're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you run this, there's going to be 3 commands down below in the description. We're going to copy and paste 2 of them. So ignore this third one for now. So we're going to focus on these 2 right now. So if you're running 32-bit operating system, you're going to copy and paste this command. If you're running 64-bit, you're going to copy and paste this one. To know which one that you're on, you're going to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And now once you run this, next to system type is going to be telling you. So for me, I'm on x64. So I'm going to run the x64 one. If your one says x86 or x32, you want to run the other one. For me, I'm on x64. I'm going to run this one right here, 64-bit. I'm going to copy it. By the way, most of you guys are also going to be on x64 like me. So I'm going to run this one. You want to copy from where it says CD to the end. You're going to do Control-C to copy it. Come to CMD and then do Control-V to paste it. And then click on Enter. And now once you've done that, we're now going to copy and paste this last command right here, ngen.exe. So just highlight all this, Control-C to copy it, come to CMD, and then do Control-V to paste it. And then click on Enter. Now there's 2 things that could happen right now. It's either going to start running all of this, it's going to take a while, or it's going to say to you, all compilation targets are up to date. If it says for you, all compilation targets are up to date, you could just skip to the next step. But if you got this like me, it's running all of this right here, you just want to wait for this to load. It's going to take about 3 minutes. So just wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when all of this will be completed. And now that's been done, we're now going to restart our computer. Again, you might not get all of this though, it might just be saying for you, all compilation targets are up to date. So either way, if it said that, or if this happened to you right here, you want to restart your computer. So for the last step, we're just going to restart our computer, and then the problem should be fixed.